Lesson 1, Difference Graphic Format. Objectives. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand what is graphic, understand different graphic format, known about the quality of the image file, understand about the lossy and lossless image file compression. In this unit, you will be learning about different graphic format, graphic for web, image size resolution, and graphics editing. Image file format. Image file format refers to organizing and storing digital images. So here are some source of images: digital camera, image scan from the scanner, image drawn in any image processing software, storing of image, secondary storage device for future use. We can store our image or any types of file in secondary storage device like pen drive and hard disk for the future use. Image file format. Meta file format are portable format which can be include both raster and vector information. For example, application independent formats such as WMF, window meta files, and EMF, enhanced meta file. The meta files format is an intermediate format. Most applications open meta files and save them in their native formats. Image file format. There are hundreds of image file types. The PNG, JPG, GIF format are the most often used to display image on the internet. Some of these graphic formats are separated into two main families of the graphics, and they are raster format, vector format. Image file format. Page description language. PDL refers to the format used to describe the layouts of a printed page containing text, object, and images. For example, PostScript. Raster format. Based on pixel, an unit of image or dot in an image. Pixel is developed by the dots. Demerits of raster file format is when it is enlarged, we see staircases in the image. Staircases are rectangular blocks that makes the image not clear or blur. Vector format. At some point, all vector graphics must be rasterized in order to be displayed on a digital monitors. When you open vector file in Photoshop, it converts into raster. Not staircases seen in vector format. Either the figure remains the same when you enlarge it. Did you know one of the very simple and most known fact that text is vector file format? So when you enlarge it, its quality never get decreased. The type text PDF format, if you have, then zoom it, it never lose its quality, but not of the image. It should be typed and converted into PDF. Compressed mode versus uncompressed mode. Compressed mode versus uncompressed mode. The file which is saved in uncompressed mode will be in big in size. The bytes present in the open mode will be equal in the saved mode also. In compressed mode, the size of the bytes will be less than in open mode. The types of compressed mode are lossless and lossy compression. Lossy compression. Lossy algorithm use compression algorithm with the some bytes throwing from the file to make the file size small. Each throw bytes or pixel which will not be recovered again while opening. Quality of the image will be degraded. Appears zigzag or boxes in the image when enlarged. So lossy compression use the lossy file compression method, which will throw out some bytes or pixels which won't be recovered again with any of the method, and its image quality also decrease if the file is used lossy compression. And when we enlarge the image, it shows the zigzag or boxes. Lossless compression. The lossless compression algorithm is such that the file will be compressed and the bytes will be less in the saved file, but when we open, all bytes will present as it was before compressed. So its advantage and features are: data will not be lost, quality of the image will not be degraded. This means lossless file compression means it will not lose any of the data when it's compressed, but the file size will be small. Its bytes will be less, but when we open, all the bytes will be present as it was before. So its data is also not big loss, and its quality will be also not degraded. Its quality will be same as before, but our files are saved in small in size. So this is the one of the very best file compression. Color color palette in digital world. Color palette in the digital world refers to the full range of color that can be displayed on a device screen or other interface, or in some cases a collection of colors and tools for use in paint and illustration programs. Color depth. Today most of the computers support at least 32-bit colors, which allow from up to 16.7 million colors. Windows 7 introduced support for 48 bits color, assuming the computer video card support this color depth. Okay, now let's be more clear about color depth. So 24-bit equal to 2 to the power 24 or 16777 colors as VGA display. It is also called true color. 32-bit 1677216 colors plus alpha channel 2 to the power 32 or 42967 color combinations. 48 bits 2 to the power 48 or 281474976710656 colors. So color depth means how much color is used per pixels. So it is color depth is need to understand, because it is color depth means it's per one pixel how much colors are used. So if you use 24 bits color, then there that is for SVGA displays. Yes, if you use 32-bit colors, then there are 1677216 colors plus alpha channel in each pixels. Color depth, bit depth, pixel depth, color depth are same terms, which refers to the number of bits per pixel on a computer monitor to represent a specific color. The monitor bits per pixel, the higher color variety and quality of the monitor. The first graphic cards and monitors support 1-bit color, which was monochrome. That means mostly commonly black and white. 1-bit colors only. The first graphics card and monitor only support 1-bit colors. They were black and white. Only the pictures were captured in 2 colors. They were black and white. Okay, now let's learn some full forms. CGA equal to color graphic adapter. EGA mean enhanced graphic adapter. VGA video graphic adapter or video graphic array. XGA extend graphic array. SVGA super video graphic array. 1 bit equal to 2 to the power 1 or 2 colors, monochrome display. 2 bit equal to 2 to the power 2 or 4 colors, CGA display. 4 bit equal to 2 to the power 4 or 16 color, EGA display. 8 bit equal to 2 to the power 8 or 256 color, VGA display. 16 bit equal to 2 to the power 16 or 65536 colors, XGA display. It is also called high color. Okay, now let's compare JPG and GFIF. So JPG Joint Photographer Expert Group. GFIF JPEG file interchange format, a lossy compression method. JPEG compressed images are usually stored in the JFIF file format. File extension is .jpg or .jpeg. So GFIF stands for JPEG file interchange format, and it is a lossy compression method. And JPEG stands for Joint Photographer photographic expert group. So friends, now you need to subscribe our channel for the daily updates, and let's go to another slide. JPEG 2000, a compressed ratio standard enabling both lossless and lossy storage. It compress on method used are different from the ones in standard JFIF or JPEG. Improved quality and compress ratio, but requires more computational power to process, not nearly as comparison as JPEG, but used currently in professional movie editing and distribution. So JPEG 2000 is a improved quality and compression ratio, but it requires more computational power to process it. It is not used in almost all part, but it is used as professional movie editing and distribution nowadays. BMP. So what is BMP? Window bitmap. BMP is a handless the graphics file within the Microsoft OS. It is an uncompressed file format, so large file with lossless nature. The advantage is simple structure and wide appreciated in the Windows program. Okay, now let's be clear about PNG. So what is PNG? PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. It was created as a free open source alternate to GIF, graphic interface format. Okay, so PPM, PGM, PBM, and PNM. What is this? Let's learn now. Net PBM format is a family including the Portable Pixmap file format PPM, the Portable Graphic Map file format PGM, and the Portable Bitmap file format. So here PMP means its full form is the Portable Gray Map file format, and PGM means the Portable BTM file format, and so NetBMP format is a family include it is PMP, PGM, PBM, and PNM. It is one of the family including the Portable Pixmap file format. Okay, now what is WebP? Let's learn it. Don't worry, I am here to teach you a new open image format that uses both lossless and lossy compression. It is WebP. Designed by the Google to reduce image file size to speed up web page loading. The principal purpose to supersede JPEG is the primary format for photographs on the web. So web is designed for the principal purpose is JPEG as the primary format for photographs on the web. It is designed by Google. Okay, now let's be more clear about HEIF, high efficiency image file format. So an image container information that was sterilized by MPEG on the basis of the ISO based media file format. So HEIF stands for high efficiency image file format, and it is an image container format that was standardized by MPEG on the basis of the ISO based media file format. Okay, now it's time to learn our familiar topic GIF. So you are using in Facebook, Instagram, and other many social medias use of GIF. So actually, what is it? Let's learn it. GIF. It stands for Graphics Interchange Format. In a normal use limited to 8 palette or 256 colors. So technically 24 bits color depth is possible. It is available within animation capabilities, still widely used to provide image animation effect despite its low compression ratio compared to modern video format. So GIF have low compression ratio and it's only use 8-bit palette, and it is widely used nowadays. It is used for animation effects. Now let's be clear about stereo format. So it is a stereophonic sound, or more commonly known as stereo. So it is all about the sound audio effect. So a method of sound reproduction on that creates an illusion of multidirectional available perspective. So it is usually achieved by using two or more independent audio channel through a configuration of two or more loudspeaker or stereo headphones in such a way as to create the impression of sound heard from various directions as in natural hearing. So stereo format, it is all related to audio sound effects. So if you used two or more than two loudspeakers, then it's look like a natural sound. And so you can use your headphone. While using headphone also, some of these sound, it's actually listen as if it is happen in your room while you are sitting. So this is all about the stereo format. It is all related to audios. So stereo format is a method of sound reproduction on that creates an illusion of multi-directional audible perspective. Have you heard about tag? Okay, no, no, no. It is not a tag used in YouTube videos. It is, so what is it? Let's learn it. TIFF, tagged image file format. So TIFF stands for tag image file format, a flexible format that normally saves 8 bits or 16 bit per color, red, green, blue, RBG color, we can say it, for 24 bits and 48 bits totally respectively. Usually use either the TIFF or TIF file extension. So TIFF extension is .tiff or TIF only. I think you have a message in your phone. If not, then let's start another slide. BPG, better portable graphic. A new image format whose purpose is to replace the JPG image format when quality or file size is an issue. Its main advantages are: BPG is high compression ratio. Its files are much smaller than JPGs for similar quality. It support it is supported by most web browser with a small JavaScript decoder. Zip size says 76 KB. So it is the size of the best size of the image used in web browsers. EXIF. What is EXIF and what is its full form? Let's learn it. EXIF stands for Extensible Image File Format, a file standard similar to the GIF format with the TIF extension. It is incorporated in the JPEG writing software used in most cameras. Okay, now subscribe our channel. So that's the end of our channel. So from here, what we message you is, this is all about graphics. So it is the first you need to learn this. What is this graphics? First replay the video and be clear about it. Only then you are able to design graphics. So firstly you need to be theoretically known to the graphics design. Okay, if you are not going to do this, then you won't be clear. So it helps you in educational classes also. So read it, learn it, replay the video and be clear in all perspective. So bye bye, see you in next video.